Hello and namaste everyone. Welcome to my channel DIY with Zini. I post crafty DIY videos here. So if you like creating stuff on your own, then consider subscribing. Today I'm sharing cute pun cards for upcoming Valentine's Day. Or you can use these pun cards for a special person in your life on any occasion throughout the year. So go get your crafting supplies and let's get started. Let's start with pun card number 1. For this, you will need 2 white circles. Next, draw earth on one circle. I'm just randomly doodling continents. Then, paint with light blue color to represent water. And green to represent continents. On second circle, randomly drop some grey color to represent moon. Now I'm outlining everything with black gel pen. Now take a strip of paper, then fold that in half and again fold that in half. Now crease that in W fold. Now stick this strip on the circles like I'm showing here. And you got yourself a cute little card. I'm decorating it with heart-shaped cutout. And for pun message, I'm writing I love you to the moon and back. And this super awesome pun card is ready. Now let's make second pun card. For this, you will need a yellow piece of paper. Then fold that in half. Next, I made a template for a light bulb. Now trace this light bulb on card with a little bit folding line intact. I'm outlining this light bulb using black marker and then cut it out using pair of scissors. And your basic card shape is ready. Now I'm coloring metallic part on the bulb using silver gel pen. Now I'm adding kawaii face and other details. For pun message, I am writing "You light up my life." And this super innovative pun card is ready. Now let's make third pun card. For this, you will need a black sheet of paper. Then fold that in half. Then draw some chemistry flask and jar shapes. Next, outline that with black marker. Next, color those with any coloring medium you have at home. I am using my big markers. Cut that out and paste that on black card. Next, I am drawing some cute kawaii faces to give them a character. Next, I am using a white gel pen to draw vapors that forms a heart shape. Now for pun message, I am writing "We have a great chemistry." And this super cute pun card is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you recreate any of this, then please share pictures with me on Instagram with #diywithzini. I would love to see them. Also, if you have any ideas or suggestions, then please let me know in the comment section down below. I will try my best to make that happen. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also click on the bell icon so that you can get notifications for my next video. For more inspiration, I handpicked these two videos for you. Have a magical day. Happy crafting!